Let's create a to-do list app using ChatGPT. Just type, write code for to-do list website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. As you can see, ChatGPT is generating HTML code for index.html file. Now, ChatGPT is generating CSS code for style.css file. Now, ChatGPT is generating JavaScript code for script.js file. Let's copy HTML code and paste it in index.html file and save it. Now, open index.html file in web browser. To see how it looks, let's copy our CSS code and paste it in style.css file and save it. Now, open index.html file in web browser. To see how it looks. Now, copy JavaScript code and paste it in script.js file and save it. This is how a to-do list app looks like. We can write task here and it will be saved in list. When we click on task, its color changes and get crossed out. We didn't write any code. ChatGPT created this website in less than 1 minute.